Most finance teams are drowning today in what I call a digital debt. You're paying a CA salary for someone who's just doing copy paste work 4 hours a day or reconciling Excel sheets that should actually take just 4 minutes. You already know you need a tech savvy finance team. But somewhere down the line, you were sold a lie that the solution is hiring 10 developers or buying an expensive software. Trust me, it's not. Hi, I am Puneet Sodhi Asnani, a chartered accountant in the world of IT. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a tech-savvy team with the brains you already have and the tools that you already pay for. I'll break this into two practical pillars. First is hiring strategy. What kind of talent we should actually have in finance. Second, the training reality. How to upskill teams without actually wasting money. So whether you are a CFO who's looking for ROI, a finance manager who's tired of firefighting, and a young CA who wants to be irreplaceable, this is your roadmap. When it comes to hiring for a tech-enabled finance team, everybody wants the same thing, the gold standard. Someone who's a chartered accountant or has a finance degree who understands balance sheets as well as has experience in building systems. Now let's be honest, these people are very rare. They are unicorns and are very expensive. And if I weren't here talking to you, I would say that they are almost dreamy. So if you can't find that unicorn, here's what actually works for the real world. The next best option is a business analyst. Typically, these are the people who used to code earlier but got eventually into requirement gathering. And here's where many teams go wrong. Here's a strong but an important warning. A business analyst who doesn't understand finance, who doesn't understand what a provision is or what is an accrual, is not an asset. They become a messenger. They hear a problem from finance, go to IT and explain it, and then everything gets lost in translation. You don't need a translator. You need someone who speaks the language of the ledger. Hence, please consider business analysts who have finance domain knowledge. Third, and my favorite, most underrated option, the internal audit mindset. Someone with an internal audit mindset who has experimented with low-code tools. Now you might say why? Because auditors are trained to see where processes break. They already understand risks, controls, and financial logic. Teaching a process expert how to use technology is 10 times easier and far more effective than teaching a coder the nuances of a GST reconciliation. Now let's talk about the people you already have. You don't fire them, you enable them. But please don't send them to another AI webinar course. That's not education, that's distraction. So here's a practical 3-step execution plan that actually works. Step 1. Identify your digital champions. Look for 2 to 3 people in your team who are actually productively lazy. The ones who ask, isn't there a faster way to do this? These are your innovators. Start there. Step 2. Use what you already pay for. If you are an organization who is actually using Microsoft 365, you are sitting on a gold mine called Power Automate. Most finance teams use barely 5% of its actual potential. 3-day reconciliations can actually be done in just 3 hours. Vendor PDF invoices that come into your emails can actually be posted directly into your ERP. That's the potential of Power Automate. I learned Power Automate using YouTube and experimentation. And trust me, it genuinely changed my career. And the best part, it costs you zero if you already have a business license of Microsoft 365. Step 3. Make generative AI tools like Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini your tutors. Don't buy a VBA course. Use these tools as your pair programmers. Tell it exactly what you want. For example, if you want to identify duplicate invoices in a given data set of a vendor, use this prompt. Study the output that it gives you. That's not cheating, that's accelerated learning. Enabling your department with tech isn't just a finance problem. So if you are the head of HR, supply chain, or sales, the problem is the same. Everything that I have said in this video is applicable to you as well. The logic is identical. So stop waiting for the IT department to save you. The tools to build solutions are already on your desktop. The most successful departments I have seen are the ones where the subject matter experts, the ones who understand the business, take the ownership of technology. Your homework for this week is very simple. Pick a repetitive task, just one, and find a Power Automate template for it. You'll be shocked to see how easy it is to start. To help you get started, I have put together a finance digital transformation cheat sheet. It includes my smart hire interview questions and the exact Gen AI prompts you saw today in the video. The link is in the description. I'll see you in the next one.